belated happy fiesta before I move on. My name is Alduin R. Fausto. Anyways, moving on with our program. Meron lang po tayong maiksing program bago po tayo tuluyang kumain. Okay lang po ba yun? Yes! Okay naman po. Ayan, all for the glory of our fiesta. And before anything else as well, I'd like to thank the organizing committee, especially our hermano, for giving me this opportunity to host this event. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, as I've said, maiksing programa lang po. Siguro mga 15 minutes and 2 hours bago po tayo kumain. Okay lang po ba yan? Sabi ni ate, uwi na kami. Anyway, hindi naman po. We'll just make it short and sweet as possible para po ma-enjoy naman natin ang napakasarap na pagkain na ng ating catering services. Of course, care of our hermanos and hermanas. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Okay, formally start our program, our party right here, right now. Ayan, kailangan po nating ibalik ang lahat sa Panginoon. So with that being said, may I request Miss Emmy Laban to lead us in prayer, and may I request everyone to please rise for our opening prayer. Okay, so now let me introduce the rest of the Hermanos and the Hermanas 2024. Hermano de Caracol, Mr. Ray and Miss Celine De Leon. Palakpakan po natin sila, guys. To formally introduce our hermanos and hermanas.